Okay. Today we're going to continue working on our suffixes. What is a suffix?
The word ethnic. Like, it's like prefixes are at the beginning of the word, suffixes are at the end of the word.
That's
like
right.
ly. And root words are in the middle.
Root words are in the middle, exactly. So we're going to go look at some words. And first we're going to say them. I'm going to say them and then you're going to say it so that way we all know how to pronounce it. This one is calmest.
Calmest.
Fewest.
Tranquil.
Bravest. Coolest. Closet. Weakest. Closer. Braver. Hottest. Calmer. Fewer. Hotter. Cooler. Weaker.
You just said the same thing, but they don't have.
It doesn't have the S. It has the R. You got ER and
I have a
ST.
question about one of the rounds.
Sure.
Closet?
Yeah, it's closest. I was reading it
I said
upside down.
closet.
It's closest. I was reading it upside down. Now that I look at it this way, so it's closest.
Closest.
All right. So, when we look at these words, what kind of patterns do you see?
S and R.
S and R.
Yeah, and then the root word.
And then
And then there's S, like the weak S, hot,
so why don't we separate them into S and R?
Wait, no, that's hot.
Why don't we separate them into S and R? What should this be, S to R? Okay, so we have calmest, hottest, fewest, coolest, weakest, closest, bravest, and that's all the S. What about
Braver, cooler, fewer, weaker, hotter, closer, calmer.
So what do you think the root words are on these?
Calm.
So we got calm,
Hot, cool, weak, close, brave.
Okay, and what happens to these words when we add S to it? Lucy?
When you add ES, it's like more, I guess, like fewer is, fewest is like, it's hard to
It is
explain
hard to
it.
explain. What do you think?
Few is like,
If you want to do,
if it's the hottest,
it's
like,
so far. Okay, you might just use some symbols, use some metaphor.
I think it's like somehow plural.
So this is for you. But we're going to do we'll stop like a little after 2.
Okay, we'll try one more. Nick, what do you think?
Like, for bravest and coolest, when I think of it, it's like you're the most of that. You're the most cool. You're the most hot. You're the most.
So you're comparing them.
Yeah.
So you think that we use S when we compare something? What about ER? So we got
Yep, put your name on here.
That
brave,
means you're doing
cool,
something.
few, weak, hot, close, and calm. So what are we doing when we do the ER?
That means that's
It's pretty much comparing as well, but it's like more. It's more calm. It's pretty much saying that it's more.
So these are both comparing.
I think,
And
like,
the difference between these two is that when we compare ER, we're comparing two things. Like, we're comparing KJ and Paul. But when we use the EST, we're comparing everything, like more than two things. So we can be comparing everybody. So when we use the calmest, right now Rachel's the calmest. Or braver, KJ may be braver than Lucy. So you see how that works? When we use two people, we put the ER. And when we use more than two people, we put the EST, the S.
Oh, I have one. Ball, cooler.
And Miss Freeman is cooler than Paul and Nick. Alright, so we're
I got
good.
a quarter.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at how they became a suffix. So what happened to calm when it became calmest? Let's see what happened.
More calm.
No, what happened to the word?
Oh, they added ES.
You had EST.
They added more. That means you're.
What about fewest, Ryan? What do we do with fewest?
Standard. You added EST.
EST.
Yeah.
Can what do we do to cool to make it EST? EST. Do we see a pattern here? So what are we doing?
East, dies, working,
What about this one?
rest, spill, swallow, chew.
T-E-S-T.
We added an extra T.
I think he's going to search
This is called a double.
This one's odd.
Right, so then, what do you do?
Oh, yeah, good. That's like brave, but.
Okay, so we had to add an extra T after the context. What about bravest? What did we do to bravest?
It's S-T.
Raise your hand. What happened to bravest? KJ, what happened to bravest?
E-S-T.
Well, the root word is brave. So what happened?
S-T.
ST? Anybody else have anything else?
S. Well, actually, no.
What they technically happen is they drop the E and then they add EST.
It's silent. It's silent E.
It's called an E dropper.
Oh, it's E-drop?
It's an E drop.
It's odd.
It's in the EST group. It's just how you made it. It goes into it.
Silent.
So let's look at some of these R's. What about braver? What happened to braver?
E-R.
Oh, braver.
Drop the E-R.
E drop. There we go. What about cooler?
E-R.
Fewer.
E-R.
ER. Weaker.
E-R.
Okay. Closer.
E-R. E-drop.
Some of these are tricky, huh? What about calmer?
E-drop. E-R.
All right. So now we have these two groups. We have our ER group and we have our EST group.
There's more groups.
There are two more groups.
Oh,
we have an IER group and an IEST group.
Like dryer. Oh, sorry.
So let's mix these up a little bit.
So the word dryer gotta be in there. I know it. Have to.
Okay.
Dirtiest.
Dirtiest. Which group would it go into,
Oh,
KJ?
It was
IER or IEST?
IST.
Why? Why do you think it goes into IEST?
Because IST, that has IST.
So what's the root word?
Dirt.
And what's the suffix?
Is.
IST. Okay. Rachel, what about this?
IER.
IER. Prettier. What about happier? Kind of
IER.
IER. What about easier, Micah?
ER, because that's the ER.
That's right. What about crazier, Paul?
That would be
IER. Incontinent. How about dirtier? How about easiest? Right.
Y drop, and you add the IEST.
That's right. So this one he dropped the Y and IEST.
Same
Dirtiest. We also dropped the Y and IEST. And that's called a change the Y to I. Change the Y to an I. So you can think of something. Y.
Oh, God,
What about craziest?
IEST.
And how'd you get it?
Because it's a Y drop and then
Y to an I.
Y to an I. EST.
You change the Y to an I and then what EST?
IEST. And prettiest.
You dropped the Y and you made it IEST.
This one's even trickier. What else did they do?
Oh, and then two times.
And they doubled it and then
Yeah, so that was 3 years. So it's a double.
So what we did was we have an S group, an group, an IER group, and an IEST group.
It's all
They're all comparing. So just as we have the ER here, IER is comparing two people, And IEST is just like EST. And we're comparing multiple. Yep. Alright.
You want me to look at the red thing?
No, we're going to leave these here. I'm going to keep them out. So tomorrow you guys have your quiz, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys are going to stay for your quiz tonight?
Yeah.
We're not going to use these words. You're going to have your old words for you.
It's on that. Okay.
Don't worry, I'm not going to make you learn these little and all that. And then after your quiz tomorrow, Miss Honeycutt's going to give you these new words, okay?
I'm gonna have problems with this. Easy.
Okay, so why don't you guys come on the front carpet, and then Miss Cameron's going to tell you what to do for your poetry.